Google. Let's go get him again.
Welcome back to the Robezoid channel. I'm your host, Mark, and welcome to your weekly update. Santa is in the house. It is September. Hey, if you're ever in Canada, Ontario, go visit Bracebridge. They have Santa's Village. Great for kids. Great for kids. Now, hopefully you have your coffee. It's early morning, right? And what do we got on the docket? Well, the sampling section of my channel right now is all over the place. I'm repeating myself. I do apologize. I just sometimes I don't know. Anyway, but we do have some new unboxings to unbox. I've been on point for my unboxings and my test drives. It's just my sampling samples. Sometimes, hey, I get bigger samples and it takes me a little more time. Then we got to back up the truck a little bit. So what I announced last week is what's coming up in the sample side. But we're going to go check out what we have in the front end. And all my friends that love Uncle Serge's, I'm back with another one on Wednesday. So today, Monday, you're getting this video. Tuesday, you're getting the subscriber's choice again for you to choose. And then on Wednesday, we start off with the heavy lifting. I am going to unbox this Uncle Serge here, this one called Vetiver Oriental. So Oriental Vetiver. Looking forward to that one. Again, blind buy. I've never smelt this Vetiver based fragrance, but again, it was under $100 Canadian, which is a steal. You know, I'd rather buy this than Paco Rabanne's Invictus, we'll say, for the same price. So this is, even if it's just a subpar vetiver, which I would assume not, I can't wait to unbox it on Wednesday. I'm looking forward to that. Next, right beside it is the Issey Miyake discontinued limited edition Issey Miyake. I collect these things, and this is l'Odyssée pour Homme Sport mint version, mint. And I got it, this is not all me. I got this split back in 2019. In 2019, I was doing some splitting, not so much anymore. But this one, of course, a very rare one from Issey Miyake, and I can't wait to kind of give you that test drive on this. The Sport, l'Odyssée Sport, the original one, which is, my Issey Miyake over here somewhere. I don't know where they are. They're behind me. Oh, they're behind me. You can't see them. The Sport one was meh. This one much better. Just spoiler alert. Next, right beside that is a Tom Ford. Another blind buy. This one, Rose de Russie, Russian Rose. This one, of course, because of the war, they pulled this one. I don't know if they brought it back, but they pulled it. And that was my inclination of actually purchasing this when they started talking about pulling this one off the shelves. I was like, I'm going to buy it. This might be something that is more of a collector's, but I don't think they might have pulled it and brought it back. I'm not sure, but there's still a lot of bottles of this around anyway. And then, of course, on the weekend, you already know, no spoilers here. Last week, it was supposed to be Sauvage Elixir, God of Fire, and it is going to be that now. I've hit my Sauvage Elixir a little bit, so that's going to be your Saturday. It is your subscriber's choice. And on Sunday, it's going to be Mr. Stephane Humbert Lucas, which I did Mortal Skin last week, and ooh, what a test drive that was. I'm still kind of hot and bothered because of that fragrance review. God of Fire here is a hype train. I haven't actually hit, I haven't had time. Again, I'm kind of backwards here in regards to my sampling and my reviewing and stuff. It's hard out there for somebody that's going to be publishing something almost daily, but I'm hopeful of getting these done, especially here, to get some new samples out to you instead of the ones that you've heard of. So again, I apologize to my diehards that were looking forward to that. You know, I had to catch up with the Louis Vuitton Nouveau Monde and Intoxicated by Killian. Those were the ones that kind of put the brakes on everything as far as my sampling samples. I was like, oh, okay, I need more time. So anyway, as always on Mondays, I absolutely, I love it when you all comment and tell me, hey, this week it's trash, Mark. Even a comment like that, it'll just make me laugh. This week's trash. I'm not going to check out anything. To comments that say, hey, I'm just going to check the Uncle Serge and let's say the Tom Ford. I'm looking forward to that, or I'm checking in all of them. And I love comments that'll also even talk about these particular fragrances and be like, oh, I own this. I can't wait to hear your thoughts. I love those comments. They just kind of put a smile on my face. So anyway, hopefully your December's doing well. Hopefully you got your tree up. I've been busy putting up my tree. So that's all up, ready to go. And we're getting the thick of things of the end of the year. Ooh. Anyway, all right. So have a good Monday. Good start of the week. See you on the next one. Merci beaucoup. Have a good one.